Thank you, Chair. I speak on behalf of Voice of Baloochistan Women Brahms. National minorities, including Baloch, Ahwaz, Arab, Kurds, Turkmen, and Lurs, continue to face systemic discrimination that affects almost every aspect of their lives: political participation, economic opportunities, access to education, cultural rights, and even protection of their identity. These inequalities do not only deny fundamental rights, they weaken social cohesion, erode trust between communities and the state, and undermine peaceful coexistence. During the Women Life Freedom Movement, minorities, particularly minority women, stood at the front lines to peaceful protests calling for dignity, equality, and justice. Yet in several regions, these peaceful demands were met with extremely violence. The Bloody Friday incidents, where more than 120 peaceful protests were killed, remain one of the strongest reminders of how repression destroys trust and leaves deep emotional and social trauma. Despite their courage and leadership, minority communities are often excluded from national and international discussion and decision on transitional justice, peace building, and future. Trust cannot be built when those who have lived through the greatest injustice are denied the right to help shape change. We also note that the nationalization of minority territories, including more than 90% of Baloch areas, held to displacement, marginalization, and further social exclusion. When land, identity, and voice are taken away, coexistence becomes fragile. We strongly support the concept. Notes remind that minorities must never be seen as a threat to national unity. When minorities are respected, included, and protected as equal partners, they strengthen peace, reconciliation, and the prosperity of society as a whole.
Thank you. And now I